All right, so we have the timing belt, cam, whatever things they are, pulleys. We have the cam pulleys here. They were a genuine pain in the butt. This particular one, and we can tell on the fast forward part of the video, but this one started to strip a little bit, and they were on there like nobody's business. So I'm gonna see if I can get a different one of these bolts. And it looks like when they were taken off before, this one was taken off before, and it was notched along with this one to imagine to help break it loose. Imagine that's who broke the, I guess broke this one. Whoever took this thing apart before. Sealant like crazy all over this thing, so they got to clean all that crap off. But either way, so we got the valve cover or the timing covers, so they're off. We're gonna get those cleaned up and probably paint them. And we'll do the same thing with the intake manifold. We got a whole bunch of crap we need to take off this. We're gonna go with top feed injectors instead of the side feeds. So we have different TGV valve spacer things. They're going to be deleted, and I'm going to port match and hone the intake to gasket match the intake gasket. And we're going to paint this as well. And let's see here. Now we got the, this is the entire valve train here. So we got the valve covers, we got the little camshaft main bearings or whatever they are. The actual camshafts themselves, these front main bearings with the variable valve controller stuff. And here are the cylinder heads, and we're going to be taking these down to get them cleaned and decked. And so either way, so that's where we're at. We got a lot of work to go, but you know, good start. A little more to take apart on the engine, but we'll get that squared away. So we need to get these cylinder heads off to the head shop and get them going. We'll keep plugging away on this Baja, man. Can't wait to get this thing on the road.